you should see wall sections there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You see right here is, do you see the full screen, by the way?
Yes.
Okay, you got a 22-inch wide screen then, huh?
Yes.
Oh, good. Perfect. This is your wall section that you sent me.
Uh-huh.
Okay. These are the wall sections that we're generating over here to the right.
Okay.
Okay. And here's the elevation over here that we're generating as well. And this window is a whole window unit with the lintel above it. And what I do is I just copied it over directly over to here, and everything lines up. You see this bottom line here that you drew in your wall section, I am assuming is the finished floor?
Yes.
Okay. So I've lined that up with everything else, and what I've done now is copying the window over with your new sill height. I'm going to go ahead and move that window down
All right.
for the new sill height. And that's where we are. You see the cornice up here?
Yeah.
Now the reason why I think, you remember I mentioned to you earlier that we were missing the addition of the window frame as part of the calculation in the height.
Uh-huh.
And I think that's what may have been missed here. And so as a result, I think the sill either needs to go down a little bit more or something.
Okay, well, let me ask you this. I thought that the 5'6" was that included that. That was the interior opening from the sill to the top of that window opening inside, because it doesn't have a wraparound casing on it, if I remember, on the interior.
I'm just looking at the outside. The exterior is what really concerns me more than anything else, because it affects the placement of the lintel and the cornice above.
Yeah. Oh, I see what you're... Okay. I see what you're saying now.
See, that cornice, I think, needs to go a little higher to clear over that lintel.
Yeah, because on the exterior... Okay. We don't have any problem lining it up with the inside.
That's correct.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I know Ames's thinking was he didn't want to have to lower the ceiling. I mean, didn't have to want to raise the ceiling, but the other thing was too is that, you know, an elevation in any time, it starts to look bad if the windows are too high or too low.
Correct.
Yeah. So.
Right now, your sill is at what, 5'5"?
Yes.
Yeah, 2'5". I'm sorry, 2'5".
2'5", yes. And how much is that lintel above the line it needs to be? How many more inches do we need?
Let's see, that is a measurement of 4.5 inches, approximately.
Okay. Okay. Well.
And the sill, we don't want it to go down any too far, you know, for the inside.
Oh, I know.
About the only thing I can think of is the window needs to either get smaller,
Mm-hmm.
or that eave needs to get higher.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let's do this. Let me discuss this with Ames before we make a decision.
Okay.
Is there something else y'all can do without this holding you up?
No, we're still cranking through the drawings. It's just that.
Yeah. No, I understand.
Yeah. If we can get this resolved, like in the next, well, before the end of the day today, then we'll be in good shape.
Okay. Yeah. Let me discuss this with him.
Okay.
And can you?
I can send this to you if you want me to.
Yes, please do. Could you? Yeah, email it to me if you can.
Not a problem.
Just do something that I can print this out and show it to him. Because we were concentrating on the. I see now what you're explaining here.
It's really hard to just talk about it over the phone. So I thought, okay, this is a live session deal here.
Right. No, exactly. Yeah, that totally makes it clear. Okay. Well, I'll if you send that drawing to me, and I'll show Ames.
Okay, not a problem.
Figure out what we're gonna do.
Okay. Talk to you later, Thad.
Okay. All right. Thank you.